God bless you all. Thank you very much for tuning in. God bless you. A lot is going on in the world. Problem in our country, Nigeria, the damnable republic of the zoological zoo. And the whole world has problem, as I've earlier told us before now. And you can only call on international community right now. Even in the international community, the problem they have is more than your own. And according to one of the quotes of the Donald J. Trump, he said we cannot save everybody. I begin to see reason with it. I'm also going to be showing one or two videos. Even the heading I wrote in this very broadcast, I have to edit it because, you know, if you have not gotten any problem, maybe up to now, you are fighting a cause, people are not, you know, mocking at you or hate you for no reason, you are not yet fighting anything. I know a lot of YouTubers, I'm not talking about all those animals from Nigeria who instigate problems just for people to quarrel. Two sisters or a sister and brother will quarrel, they'll go and have other fake accounts to be doing fake blogging. A lot of well-meaning people, YouTube have been brought down. Million viewer, 500,000, 300,000, these are the people I know. I've been shut down completely. Do you know why? They talked about the recent thing that is hitting the world. My Facebook up to today is under attack, simply. My YouTube have been tracked down. Do you know why? Because I'm telling you, be very, very careful. The world is wicked. There is no way you can, you know, you want to be abbreviating on certain words. Because what really keep me going, I don't know whether I'm the one who is not really getting it clear. Maybe the voice of God is not that too clear to me. But anytime I get close to the Bible, if you read the book of Mark 16, verse 15, and he said unto them, go ye into all the world and preach the gospel to every living creature. And the gospel was supposed to be consist of truth. The raw truth. Not compromising your value for anything. Say the way it is. But right now, no matter you try to abbreviate some certain word, I come across a video today. The Arab, they are already complaining. People are speaking up. Why? They feed something for inside their body. But I know right now a lot of animals will start taking it personal with me. No. I don't want anything to happen to anybody. Now, were you told what you are going to be given? The question is no. Nobody told anybody about this. Now, they say Korode, I believe. But what have Koro have to do with something inside your body? And this was the same thing for those of you that do watch. You watch a lot of, how will I put it? Maybe you watch a lot of films or documentaries. At times you see these fish that is called whale or shark in the sea. What they do, they caught the shark when the shark is very small. Maybe I'm telling you this right now, you begin to recall that you have watched it before. Maybe you might have watched it before, but you have not seen it. Okay, what the cause of this red dead now? I know the symbolism of that red head normally is supposed to be when things are happening, you don't like it. But the people from damnable Republic of Zoo, they use it to tell you that what you are saying is not correct. But I'm not the type that dwell on that anyway, because I know that a lot of people, they done so many things out of frustration, and it's not their fault, they don't know what they are doing. Dwell on that anyway, because I know that that was how a lot of people, they do behave, you know. So we are not the type that really dwell on that. You just see them. They are here. I always say it. They are here. You see. You see these same people. No, just look at. Look at Fosa Loki Osazuwa. Okay, I tell you, man. Wame wa amoni dogbo to enu hu unwe gwa togbo wagbon omiona e fosa loki osazowa okay what se na more de yiva na imagwe gon imagwe ragbon imagwe yegbon na wa be yo a wa bon hu a no gon ba no redo gbo e izaza Allah we gbe wagbon emenita aori idiots, very idiotic set of people. You can see. I just want, because it's not something I love to do. I just want to go there and you know, watch it. It should be this very animal. I've not humiliated anybody before. I think I have to humiliate you today. Now this animal go be. Because of the white man who I got a snap picture. Then because the white people, they are not dumb like you. Now, what's an amore dead man? You want to keep on living in darkness. Nobody call you here. You can see the name. You see where it's from Efosa Loki Osazowa. Osazowa no way agbomana ana do mu I can't really get it. Now, let me show you a video I saw. Yesterday they did this video. Do you know how many people have shared this video? 40-something thousand people have shared this very video. 40-something thousand people. Now, only me in Edo State who have come out with the courage to condemn this very thing. Cannot degbe, we not degbe. You feel it's a normal thing they are doing to you. You feel it's a normal thing they are doing to you. And you don't know that it's not normal. It's not just normal. The people that brought it out right now, look at the page of the person. If you know how to read that right. Efosa Loki Osazowa. Not be Bini person. Oh, we might work if some of the you wabo. Look at the video I'm about to show to you right now. 43,000 people have shared it. Why are they sharing it? Pass this information to other people. We have to help ourselves. We have to help ourselves. Edoma have no pharmaceutical company for coronavirus. I'm not maybe this boy I'm saving people. I'm saving people. This thing is becoming too much. We are always expecting this black race. We are always expecting a white man to come and fight for us. They go kill you for fun. We are waiting for international community right now. If the UN has spoken since, you just say Buhari for don't coordinate to the key people. If you and your call now say hello Buhari, carry your cow and don't kill your people again, they will obey. But you couldn't fight for yourself right now. You don't even know what to do. You are confused. But if you can raise this alarm and ask these people question, what have coronavirus had to do with people magneting whatever? No, we're not. If not because of this Oyibo will do your picture, I will put your picture in my page. So that next time there be la platform you are paying red. Look at all your brothers now. I came out today after one teaching. I'm doing another teaching today. Because I've read my Bible. This is the gospel. What is the gospel? The word of liberation. You might have mistakenly taken it. I'm not coming here to come and mock you. I'm not mocking anybody. Just get it clear. But I'm annoyed when you yourself begin to help these evil people to start promoting this very agenda. That's why I'm annoyed with you. You are not the cost. Okay, now like the issue of Fulani Herdsmen in Nigeria, you don't even know Buhari. You are not a friend to whatever. People are carrying chieftaincy title in your detriment. But yet, nothing they happen for this world right now. No, all you support, it will get to you now. But I'm not as wicked as you are. So that's why I have to do what I needed to do. Now, a lot of stuffs are coming out. A lot of stuffs are coming out in respect of this very thing that's happening. A man and a woman. These are Arabs. I know that Efosa, I told us before, I have a lot of Moroccano as a friend. Far better than you, Efosa. Loki Osazowa. Very, very better than you. A man only show a picture on him. So, watch this very video. It will tell you something. Because now, maybe I'm the one that is not really getting it clear. If you have, because I have not seen anybody the way I've come consecutively to speak against this very thing, that you are supporting the motion. If it is good, at least during the campaign of those states, Is there a Yamu team we are there? If you know you have a team that instead of you to come here, come and treat it that this thing is good though. When it happened in 1984 or 1897, before the British came to Benin, this thing it was done in UK. Then why these tricks? White man must fight for you for everything. If black man rise up a revolution against this, have a war. Very well, and I think many people will be happy. For this black guy, he showed that not be all black, they sleep on top of the tree. You are just there, walk by, well, you don't eat, you are going. Whether they are going to kill you tomorrow, you don't know. But the people speaking out today are the people that will even remain. They are now begin to wonder. Watch it. Watch it.
Regardez mon téléphone. Il est aimanté à son bras. On m'a envoyé la vidéo ce matin.
I know this man is lying, though. Now like this man they talk.
Donc faites-le et vous m'en direz des nouvelles. Que ce soit AstraZeneca, que ce soit Moderna, que ce soit les amis, ils nous ont foutu quelque chose dans notre santé qui est... On ne va pas durer longtemps. Le professeur Raoult avait raison. Le professeur Toussaint avait raison. L'ex-prix Nobel, je ne sais pas comment il s'appelle déjà. Alors, réfléchissez bien, ceux qui n'ont pas fait de vaccin, réfléchissez à deux fois. Moi, j'ai 70 ans, mais ma vie, j'y tiens. Mais maintenant, si je dois partir, tant pis pour moi. Mais prenez soin de votre santé. Attention à vous.
انتم كما كتشوفوا الله يرحم لكم الوالدين. الام ديالي الله يطول لها في العمر ديالها ما فهمتش. قالوا لي الناس راه البرا اللي داروا لي فاكسان اللي داروا ديال كوفيد ما عرفناش هادشي راه عجب. انا دابا كندير البريكه فيها طرف صغير ديال العيار، يعني حاجه قليله، ولكن الغريب في الامر انتم ما غتشوفوه بعينيكم. انتم الاخوان هنا فين دقت البرا، راه ما داير فيها حتى شي حاجه. ها انتم باش تعرفوا شنو كاين. هي كتلصق. الا درتها في اليد ديالها غطيح من التحت. هانت هي الوالده، ديري يدك شويه هنا باش ما يقولوش هاد الناس هادو راه متكيه ولا شي حاجه. انتم والله يجازيكم بالخير والله يرحم الوالدين اللي فاهم شي حاجه يفهمنا، راه هادشي كيحمق والله قسم وتبارك الله عليكم.
Now, this thing is beating everyone's imagination. Only people from the Dominican Republic that they don't care. Now, this is another woman. All of them, they are not feeling comfortable right now over the situation. That's why they are crying out. But do you know one thing that Nigerians do? They're ready to bear this thing until when go kill them. People are shouting out. Why are they shouting out? To save more people. Before you know right now, maybe before the end of the year, there's going to be a very big revolution. The war will won't happen for even Jan here. If it is not big country, go past the one will happen for Nigerians. So we all know Arab. For one idiot or some group of people to just cut everybody unaware. At least, at times, if you have been to hospital before, there are some operations. If you are a husband to a wife, they'll tell and say, call your husband, come make concern. Or if you are a husband, you are a good wife to a man, they'll tell you, say, call your wife, come make concern. Because they want to make you sign before they do the operation. They're not just they carry, they do anyhow. Now, what document did you sign that this thing is going to be given to you? Watch it.
شوفوا الفاكسان اللي درنا ولا يشوفوا على المقاس والبورطابل. صيفطوا لنا الناس لي فيديو ما تقناش، قلنا غير التروكاج هذاك وملي سيناه هانت شوف تاع الفاكسان الاولى. هذه غير الاولى، شوف لصق فيها المقاس والبورطابل على ظهرو تا هو لصق. وشوفوا فوالا ما كيفاش نطيقوا. كنا داكشي كانوا يصيفطوا لنا الناس كنقولوا غير نكذب غير التروكاج هذاك. ها هو بصح احنا جربنا. شوفوا النقص، ها يدي محدوره وشوفوا واش بغى يطيح. ها لاصق كي داك لي مون شتي. فوالا شوفوا واش داروا فينا في الحمله. حنا مشينا عطيناهم صحتنا وحملنا باش نديو لي فاكسان.
Now, the question we start asking ourselves is this: why are these people crying out? What really the matter? Let us begin to, think and understand that what is happening. That's what I'm doing. If you look at it right now, I'm very weak. I did the video before, and right now I'm coming up again. Why am I always bringing this information? I'm not bringing it to you, may you for take their attention. I'm bringing it to you in case, may you fulfill hold the line. You know, I told us, I think that was, I have a topic which I'm going to be treating, Mark of the Beast. The topic is there, maybe probably by tomorrow or whatever. We'll talk about it. All these things in the Bible. People are beginning to get astonished why this thing happening like this. But at times, we leave the main issues. Because Oibo don't talk, you don't go talk. No. Your voice can be heard. You can do a change to this whole thing. Why these people right now begin to examine themselves? They see it from somewhere. They see it from social media and say, really, me truth take this, let me go and examine myself and see how it look like. Okay, let's even assume you are a black man. You never did your body. Maybe not the first one you don't take. Then that to say, as you see this one, so no need for you to go for the second one. An end, there's going to be an end in all these things you are saying. That's why the Bible said, it said, greater tribulation you are going to pass through. It said, but as many that endure to the end will get the crown of life. Why did they choose right now to make sure they hold this the brokers I did before? It was lost in voice. Why are they doing it? Because anytime you want to expose these people, there are no platform they talk about this whole thing. Anything that have to do with black man. If you have seen anyone say, where they digest this and that, you know they. I'm helping people, not for myself. I told you before now that if they don't put AK for yourself, I know they take. I've already know how it look like. I've already know that it's bioengineer. I already know that the microchip is to manipulate people, which is already been seen already. What will have sickness? Like what I was saying. Then they'll put this thing for fish body. Maybe the small fish they'll put on, infuse the thing for a body, be like they'll tear them. Because those fish on operation, since blade not take cotton, they'll put on, they'll sew and back. They'll loot the small fish. They'll waka go. Now both they feed the detail, say this fish don't spend how many years, because they know say when they see approximately, let's assume this fish go there 1 year. At the time they catch them again, after 20 years, they can best not tell you this fish is 20 years. Neither they use. They use and control animal. At time, for those of you that watch wildlife, you'll see and say these people where they do wildlife, they'll go meet animal lion for somewhere for inside bush, all those Kenyan bush. When the lion they small, at time they carry some lion from Nigeria, go put on for forest reserve for Kenya. They go put that in for a body. So anytime they want to go there, now that they'll take stress where the lion dey. If the animal don't still die, now that they'll still take no say the animal don't die. Did the same thing they want to do to you. At the time you are traveling, this thing go be like network. It go to stress you, they go. If you are in Nigeria, you cannot tell them you are in Nigeria. They will know by themselves. That's where the manipulation comes in. They want to know about all your affairs, and it is not good for you. You got no privacy again. They have a central system already. But you guys are not believing it as if I'm not spoiling your market. Please, don't take it personal. I'm just trying to see the best way I can help. I got no gain in when you are being deformed. But that's why I'm be praying. May God do not quick come so that all these shenanigans will stop. But fulanization of Nigeria does not concern you. Corona vaccine that is fake does not concern. Okay, why are you living? Why are you living? Why are you living? You think it's going to be rosy like this? After taking this whole thing, you will be normal. Go and check out people that have taken it. Some of them, don't they affect them already? I just not come. There's a platform where I belong to. I'll never one day have the courage to put it anywhere. Somebody, I thank God for the person's life. That he put one dot on top of Japan. He said people will take this thing. The enemy will start to die at the age of from 2 years. This is a thing I've never. That's why when I made before people, I said they will live for 200 years. I'm just trying to use it. We are not trying to castigate anybody or to make you feel irrelevant. But you can still avert this very thing. If you want to pray, start praying. If there's any other one they say me you can't take, that to say you have to run. That's why all these good people is bringing it out. That's what I'm doing. It's part of the gospel. The gospel is not to collect that and offering from you. Opening your understanding to know the devices of the enemy. That's what Mark told me. I don't know what's written in your Bible. He did say he goes poor. He said the gospel. The gospel. He not say go and preach, he goes poor. He said he goes the gospel. Then if you read that 16 verse 16 of Mark, he said, he that believeth, just the way I'm talking right now, he that believeth and is baptized shall be saved. But he that did not believe it none shall be damned. You will be condemned. So as I'm speaking right now, if you like, you believe. But it go happen for your eye, you may wow. Have you ever heard that the BBC, they talked about what is happening in America today, that you ever hear from many janjaweed that they are doing election forensic audit in America? The deep state, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, Georgia, Arizona, all of them, the deep state, all, they are doing election audit there, forensic audit. BBC don't talk about. Do you know why they are ashamed of themselves? Nobody talks about it. They will not talk about it. Channel television don't talk about it. They can't bring it up. Okay, why are they not also bringing that one? They can't bring it up because they are ashamed of themselves. They've already know that power must change hand. I'm not having problem with you. But if you are defending the people, give us far. The way I'm always bringing far from whatever thing I'm doing. I'm not a politician. I'm just, you know, a human being like you who want you to live. Because I've read the Bible, nowhere the Bible permits. Nowhere the Bible permits me from any verse to kind of to begin to do what I'm not supposed to do. Never, 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 never. So our own is to preach the gospel to you the way it is. No matter, even though you feel inconveniences or whatever, no matter how inconveniencing it may be to you, but our own, we must have to say it the way it is. That's it. You record the line where I think they do broadcast. So I'm not selfish. At times it's stressful for me. If I'm looking for money social media thing, I will be doing some other thing people are doing. But this is a very hard, it's a hard gospel. It's a hard gospel. You can even be harmed. This thing I'm saying, I can be harmed with it. That's why a lot of people don't have courage to say it. You think I'm just here playing? I'm not playing. We want to save lives. I know we cannot save everybody. Only me when I go talk to the help Rafa. Only me when I go help make the world not collapse. Nobody's paying me. Nobody's paying me. So I'm doing it. Your own is to share it. Let's spread it. It is not normal. It is not normal. The white people, they don't know. Now most of them, they know now. They don't know because they believe in CNN, BBC, their television station. But we have people who have been speaking with us. At times, somebody will be arguing with you like saying they there. How did you believe that this thing just, you know, it's not a normal deal? Okay. Why is people hand being now a magnetic? Why? But all these animals, they will not come and explain it. Why it's like that? People start claiming I go school. No, but they want to, you know, they want to use you for their own purpose. It's not a fight between me and anybody. But at times, whatever thing you are supporting, before you start making a VAT for people, do it well. This was how a lot of people were supporting, let's take it back. People were supporting Buhari. But look at Buhari you got brought today. Is it not a national problem right now? But where are the people who even went and ran election for Buhari? If I talk now, I'll say I talk to you now. Why are you getting it hard on the door? Why would I get it hard on you? When things are going on, nobody bloody care about it. All you know is yourself. Yeah? All you know is yourself. How many people have courage to do this? The person you are following on social media, your guy. Yeah? I think they are dragging position right now. When myself, I'm dragging to save people. Yeah? I've shown you all this one before, but let me just do it again. Let me do it again now. You can. This woman, this lady I'm going to show to you, you will be surprised the way this woman takes shock. Just look at it. You're surprised this way this woman takes shock. Look at it. Look at it.
Like something is moving.
Now, they already set a panel for people that read this thing already. They are not going to leave. All of them, they are going to face electromagnet, electro execution. It's going to happen. Watch it. Just watch it and watch it. Don't be eating food all the time. Don't be an idiot. Don't be too idiotic. Find out what's happening around you. All these things are not normal, man. It's not normal. Oh, we just know like make money. No, it's not normal. All these are mark of the beast. For crying out loud. It's not normal. It's not normal. How will something be infused into you without letting you know to start manipulating you? Are you an animal? A goat you were here. These are what we both do where they'll carry cheapers in. They'll come put on. They'll carry them from Africa. They'll come put on for forest reserve. Let's say for Portugal. Now that is they put for their body. Now they think they know how many years they don't live. Now they think they know. Now, why will human being start controlling human being? Now, a lot of people are beginning to know now that a lot of truth is beginning to unveil. No wonder. I think the Democrats right now, I'm seeing them, they are lamenting already. They are surprised. Now, not even the one saying that McFlynn, the general, I know a lot of you don't know, I mean, I just talking. McFlynn, that he want to overthrow the government of Biden. What now they use their mouth they talk now because they know same all what they do her. It must be revealed. Should I break this one to you? The military in America have the result right from day one. America election, they get the results. Why are they doing what they are doing? They want to get the shenanigans. The corrupt people in the system, particularly the deep states. The military have it. Even God knows if he revealed this one to you because I know you cannot condole it. How did I know about it? Because I want to know. You may not know the help I'm giving. You may not know, but what I'm doing, I'm not doing it for human. I'm doing it for my God. Because he sent me. I may not be only in your face. I don't want you to even like me. But at the end of the day, we'll go know who serve this God. Right from day one, when Donald Trump will say he won, he loved people like Sidney Powell, Mike Lindell, you know, this man, what was this man, Rudy Giuliani, and all of them. They know that he won. Why is it that right from time, McFlynn always stand in the side of Donald Trump? Why? As a military commander, why? They got the results. America military tribunal and trial. You don't know what's happening. You are just there doing Zubi, everything are politics, PDP and APC. It's not like that. What was about to heal the world was more than you and I. Should I break another one? Do you know why he left office? He left office, make Wala for not come. Let them be doing their thing, whatever thing they are going to do. Let them just do it. Now make people that be spoiling this world. This thing has been arranged right from time. He came to come and save you. But when he said we are saying it, I cannot save everybody. I always follow up. That's why I've saved millions of people with my broker. You don't just come on media and be performing shenanigans. I came to come and save through the word of God. I came to come and deliver. That's why, have you ever one day seen me, if they are doing any election, they do a full information. They will not mention me. I'm not a presenter. Any person that writes my name as a presenter, I go insult. I'm not a presenter. I'm just a different person entirely. I am sent to this space. A multi-talented person, I do so many work. It may get overlapping. I finished one video. Was it what I was talking about? I'm talking about right now. I'm talking about what affects everyone in the world. Do you have the courage to do it? You don't have the courage to do it. Look at a woman, Sidney Powell. I have been with Donald Trump right from the one. I've been with Donald Trump. Who have you been supporting? Up to now, people are not seeing Buhari as an enemy. They are seeing the Igbo people as an enemy. They are seeing the Igbo people as... They are not... God, shit, man. But I will keep on doing it because of some one or two persons. Because we cannot, Donald Trump said we cannot save everybody. He said we cannot save everybody. Someone was telling me that someone took it in UK. Since he taken an issue of blood. People are dying silently. They can't tell you. People are dying silently. I know some will say, there is one woman that said that is always coming out on YouTube. He took the first one. He was coming back. I was talking it to all things. He can't use the mouth confess. Says he taken. In life never remained the same. The second one. Where they were talking about it, they clot blood. A lot of you, they were just trying to, give one excuse or the other, but instead of we to trigger them, let more people talk about it. Let them come and explain to us why is this thing magnetic in people's body. Who now want control? It's a microchip agenda. Even B and Gates himself talking depopulation agenda with 4 vaccine. There was a newspaper one woman brought out. Thank God for that woman. 2011. Bill Gates has a foundation. Depopulation control. That's what's called foundation. Melinda. I think Bill Gates' wife is Melinda. He don't divorce Bill Gates. Do you know what divorce Bill Gates? He even borrow in Uyena. Because the money where those men get. Now, you are not believing. Now, if you hear something from people, Matt, go and do it. Will all these people just be acting film? Will these people just be acting film? Will these people just be acting film? Eh? Look at this very one. I'll show you a bone just now. This one a black man too. Look at it.
This is the hand where get the vaccination. Vaccination hand. See it? The magnet that.
See to it? See now the same thing, you know magnet for the other side.
So the hand when I get the vaccination.
You see, huh?
Watch again. You see that? Put it back again. Vaccination on. See it? See?
See, huh? What other experiment are you looking for? A fulefus. What other experiment are you looking for? Tell me, what other experiment are you looking for? Now, your part, not be a doma get vaccination. I be you over do a nane company. If we don't get company, I be more than not better the spell on the market, but we have to say the truth. If you talk about cow now quarry, a fosa lucky Osazuwa, up your red head. If you talk about cow, now person not go talk. Maybe at least if una don't reach, what do you think all these big men they are taking it? Do you think they are taking it? They are not taking it, it not concern them. Then let me show you the injection aspect of it. Let me first show you some. When I'm not saying now, so one I'm away dake what we show. Let me bring another one to your notification.
Hey everybody, as you might have seen by now, people are finding that they can put a magnet.
This one are now Oibo. Oibo now be this one Oibo.
They got vaccinated and it will stick. I found 11 examples of this. I'm scouring the internet. I found these 11 examples, and I wanted to put together an ultimate compilation. So check this out. Share this far and wide so we can get an independent investigation into what's happening here.
So come on, let's say it.
I didn't believe it.
You didn't believe me. But they are implanting you with microchips.
It's
Magnet.
not fucking microchip.
You said? Now you waiting talk. Now me talking for a month. Me done the talking right from time. Maybe I even started this whole thing before this thing. Now only Pastor Chris for the whole Nigeria. Now the same time me and Atesi, and that very time where I tell myself, man, it was this radiation from the 5G network. Now 5G network, the officially control this thing. With that they have already installed. Even in my city here. Not before 4G net, now 5G network up to Nigeria they put on. When I see and that year where they show them, they say lockdown. That was when they were building all these things. If you check during your lockdown, so you get some area, you see like electrician, they connect wire power tree. That was the 5G network which they were using. Now they want to access this thing. Who is standing on their way? Donald. And they stand on their way. Nobody else. So he came to just the same way when God began to see that the world is happening, the world was too much, the separation between us and him was too much. He sent Jesus. Ultimately, he sent the people. That's why no matter how, even though you be my best friend, you insult me, it doesn't make me drop this whole thing. I will not drop it. I have to keep on saying it. I have to keep on, because I'm not saying it because of you. Me and you not get business. If you like, proof read from today to tomorrow. But we have to preach the word of God still. The word of God, we have to preach it. Very, very necessary and important. Look at more people.
That's where I got the shot. And here's the magnet on the arm. I didn't get the shot.
You fall from
You go figure it out. We're tripped. We're all fucked.
You fall from the other side. Now, let me pause it there. If we must have to help ourselves, if we really love ourselves the way we claim, if anything is happening like this, what you do, you hear it from one person, go and do your findings, go and do your research. That is just, I'm not saying you believe me. Me myself see the wonder. I'm wondering. This is not a campaign between Isaiah Yamu and Oshomole, say they bring money come out, the APC carry, PDP carry. No. I'm not supporting any candidate. Me, if they can call me and tell me, say, Newton, not as you think it, to that thing, is already, we send it to your country and now that one want unite us together. No problem. But did they tell you that please, Fosa, Loki Osazuwa, we want to start controlling your life like Mumu, Buzu, like animal in Sahara Desert. Huh? They will not tell you that. They did tell you no. Did you sign some contract? The answer is no. Then why must it be happening? That's why people are crying out. See what I see for my hand. It's not to spoil anybody's business. But we only count everything as politics. Do you know what hitting the world today? Millions of rats.
It's raining mice in Australia. Literally, I'm not making
rats.
or reading it out from a Murakami. Millions of mice have infested Australia. And
Mice now be rats.
Houses, garages, water tanks, under the beds. Mice are also crawling into beds and biting people. Those living in Australia and Australian cities are patching up holes in their homes and sealing the doors. In the rural areas, farmers are losing their harvest. The government has declared a war on the tailed army and announced a package worth $50 million. Our next report brings you the battle plan.
Imagine this. You open a cupboard and out jumps some mice. You go to your kitchen and there are mice everywhere. Sounds like a horror movie or a nightmare? Welcome to Australia. Here, it's a reality. There is mouse plague down under, and it looks something like this. Disgusted already? Watch this.
Rat to rat for Australia.
It's raining mice, quite literally. They are inside houses, on the walls, on the roofs, inside containers. They are everywhere, dead and alive. How do you sleep in a situation like this? You don't, says Australian farmer Cody Brady.
Yeah, I don't sleep because I'm paranoid. You know, you can hear them in your walls and your roof, and so yeah, just your social and emotional well-being is shot. And
the video is launched about 4 minutes. Let's pause it there. So these are the update report right now. What's happening in the world? But a lot of us, we don't just want to know what's happening in the environment. We don't just want to know. All we know is about ourselves. My husband is fine. I set my husband's phone today. I got no other woman call inside, and I control my husband's phone, and my wife is layman away. Life is more than that now. Life is more than that. When Satan tempted Jesus, he said, turn this stone to bread. He said, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes proceeded out of the mouth of the Lord. But why are we living towards one very particular direction? We don't even intend to digress or whatever. That's why today, up to today, there's no truth in the world. How many people have gotten the courage to come out the way I'm saying no to this thing? Maybe they can't say yes. But they are hiding, using it for their picture profile, as if now waiting they exist. My mind that you all not be the same. You can be devil while myself I'm a different person entirely. That's why a lot of people see me that God, you are different from this ethnic group, because my own thing, the way they do, they're different. I don't support where I say now only one person come out. And these same people that you are seeing today doing psychophancy, they can't take it. They are luring you to take it. Then I showed you several injections before. Let me show you this on how they put it into you. You may be wondering on how they put it, but I want to reveal it today. How this thing will infuse into your system. And if I need to know what, Ima hanging, we're getting married. Me, I want to make man. I feel my wife, so not be your pa. The person where even day now where they install era. I just want a better society for even you, because even this very government is not going to favor you. Danger weed, they are everywhere. Animals. Look at it. Look at it.
Rare earth, not that strong as you see. It barely picks up my keychain.
If I test the magnet, maybe for tell the experiment we want to do. People are speaking out. You are there, not doing anything. Well, my house have a boy. What wanted was me boy and fight once and for all. You dey do mumu there. A lot of scientists are saying where 2 years a month everything may not be saying me believe. Anybody know that in Jesus' name? But just watch. Watch. You see how that thing come out from the syringe? That's the chip. That's the chip. You see, I say magnet, huh?
There's a microchip on a magnet.
You see, huh? They have been arranging these things for years. They want to do until they manipulate you. They not be the one to control your head. Then what do you need? Okay, let's even assume it's a false information according to, because Facebook 9 times they say, even that one I shared, they say it's false information. Okay, false information, Facebook, Mona can't explain that to people. Why is it like that? Now so we're talking. Was this one arrangement? This one is not an arrangement now. When I'm talking, hey Donna, Zowere Bogodo, Zowere, where the bad is Zowere Bogodo. Now, who is to help us here? But no black man who have been able to come out and say, Niti, you are lying. See how it be. Let's keep the video for you. And let's watch out. After some time, now go and ask stoned to death. Like the way they take Stephen. But nobody got the courage. All of them, they have behind the curtain. They are already on the, me know they did defense. I'm not a man of the fence. Either you are seeing me this side or you are seeing me this side. I don't stand on the fence in anything I do. No of my struggle that is questionable today. The only person, the only leader in the world who said no to this thing. That was why Obama, he called one centralized company in Italy. He sent about $500 million left America's treasury and go to Italy. They investigated everything. Everything. Military, they don't get everything for hand. I might want Beluwa or Nando Amunuwa where advertise a mommy. They got it already. Call McFlan. Call him. He go tell you, say, man, yeah, we got everything with us. Are you going to say McLean? Always one of them. Now only you want to get sense. You will be say you can't down to say so echo warren. You are not using your head now. If you are using your head, you hear person. Anything I hear say person they talk consecutively. What I do, I begin to do research. And I make a today, you know, figure them. They do research about everything. Before they imagine, see how they take control you now. Why people they cry come on, and you want know they cry come on. So far, like one idiot talk. He say if we both want kill everybody, therefore don't poison coke since. That's how I think there will be. Look at another black girl was giving testimony how she went to hospital. The first they tell her say get koro. Then made her for give her the thing. Look at it. In Ayawa, all these ones they are just lying. Everybody they lie. Now you want be they talk truth. We not love her. Listen.
Hi, how are you guys? I'm okay. So I went and took my COVID vaccination, the Chinese one, on 20 April.
20 April recently.
Of course, they were saying that, you know, the third wave is going to be more dangerous for those who already got COVID, and I got COVID, you know, in January of 2021. So I was like, I can't go through that again, and I'm already a sickly person. So yeah, my immune system is not very good. So I'm here chilled in my office, and then I'm told that apparently there's some video clip going around to say that that it's metallic, it's attracting metal.
Now,
Like where...
now he said she saw that a video clip is going around say the thing they attract metal. Now make her can't do examine her own. But after this very time, have you been able to examine your own and cry out the way you cry out? You are keeping it. You are keeping it, trying to advertise. What are you advertising? You are a politician. Wayward.
The injection site. So unfortunately, I'm wearing a dress. I want to see what is going to happen. I'm not sure where the site is. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, I missed the spot. There it is.
You see, huh?
You guys, it's metallic, literally pulled like this.
See, you go drawn.
It's magnetic. So
this is a state of resonantia magnetica.
They told us don't massage with hot water, don't put any Vicks, don't do anything, don't even apply Vaseline or lotion on the site. You know, after you get the injection. So I don't know, you know, how I'm going to be. They said I should, you know, wait for symptoms like headaches, dizziness, you know, but then I suffer from migraines. I wouldn't know at a migraine or it's my normal migraine, kapaka headache injection. So you guys, I can't advise that you take it. I can't advise that you don't take it.
You see to it. Before Pastor Chris right from the one, I thank God for his life, the owner of a Christ Embassy. This is the only mission that Pastor Chris have really go for, that I know that really he have God repented from all his shenanigans, he have been all those fake miracles, or I pray that God on the last day is able to make heaven. And Apostle Johnson Suleiman saw my video, and he key onto also to the ideology that he himself will not take it. If they say children did not take it, made them not come school. He ready. That is Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Later supported I myself and Pastor Chris in this very struggle. So I've been all alone. So that's only the in the whole Edo State who stand up and say yes, everybody. That's it. I'm not a politician and I refuse to be. They have one have said, my brother, we are to help ourselves. If you had anything that is happening, you refuse to tell me it's not left for you. So what are you going to gain trying to encourage people to fall victim of what, you know? This is not going to go well. You'll be surprised before the ending of this year when Donald Trump will come by the grace of God and a lot of them begin to reveal the secret on how this thing came. He's going to start revealing it. The one the man did was to play along with the Abidason and say, day. No problem. He go quick do come. That was why the man was in hurry. To make sure, say, if you watch it, he not supposed to read the time when this thing supposed to come out. He hurriedly bring out. But you people, you wanted the president feeling he's coming to come and help you. People just put people know now your belief. That's why you, no matter you try to destroy somebody for me, I don't listen to you. I follow my instinct. I investigate myself. Once I see you, I know whether you are good or you are bad. That's why this recent thing right now, the what they are trying to cause. You are not stressing your problem to when these people start killing you. You are not even trying to sanction, say, okay, we will not eat cow again. Now, who is going to fight? International community all the time. They have their problem. All of them, they are let the shit for granted. They take the one. I think Nancy Pelosi right now is lamenting Una Mama for this thing. It's lamenting up to date. They don't even know what to do. If you see people criticizing something and criticizing that it not be your pa, your ma, if they criticize, go sit back, look at it. Don't really look at the person that is saying it. Look at the message that I'm delivering. Look at it. All these people, they are just lying. You see, this is a practical example being done. A practical example being done. That look at what's happening. But you are not doing anything. We always take everything. Okay, let me round up with this very video. There is a video I saw that River State is in a River or Niger. Listen what this guy have to say.
Moving, they have taken over the bandits moving large numbers of the cows. Taken over motorists have large numbers of cows.
Wait, let me put let me put it like this.
Is trying to take safety right away. This is the situation in Niger State now.
Niger State.
Zungeru, that's Wushishi local government of Niger State. People have stopped to stay safe. The bandits are moving with a lot of cows, and they could not be confronted. They could not be confronted. Yes, they could not be confronted. We are at Zungeru now. Towards this location, the bandits are in the bush, moving with cows. In the morning, they killed 3 people in Wushishi. Actually, we have armies also in the bush, but couldn't advance. Yes, they couldn't advance. So that's the situation right now. This is Zungeru main road, where motorists, travelers could not move forward, especially those going towards Tegina, Kwantagora, Kagara. That's the situation presently. May God save our country. May God save us. The situation is terrible now in Niger State. Very bad.
Now, this is Niger State now. This is Niger State they are talking about right now. Una they kind of see go there. Instead of us to begin to talk about the situation we are facing in our country, we are trying to do, okay, just look at Una Janja with Boris Johnson right now. Look at it. He have brought out now the BBC Pidgin this 5 hours ago. He said UK don't update their coronavirus travel restriction. Why are they pushing it? Why are they trying to retreat you here and there? They want to make sure you take it. They are in a hurry. They are bringing it down the 1,000 to make sure you take it. But let everybody begin to set it yourself and let's do revolution against these people. They want to control your head, but you think it's normal. You think it's normal. All these things you were just saying at times, they just come to your area. You know, your prepare you perfume. They begin to cough and you are not breathing where you feel like that. All these things are just tricks. Let wise up for once. I will say me get strength. Una for God must give me the strength one day. I know the kind of strength I'm talking about. I know the kind of strength I'm talking about. It's not about, look at the Boris Johnson, only man can clone our. Una this is Boris Johnson normal. I felt on and say, look at now the travel restriction. I think in the down of it, Nigeria and South Africa not make green list as UK release new travel restriction. What now the travel restriction? If you never taken the second dose, what was they talking about? Variant. The one way come and so I think Chinese right now they are talking about a fowl. Don't see they now will get disease. They are trying to cook another one because this one not work. But just pray. Not even pray for donor. Praise God. Send Savior come. We need Savior. If now you go physically save us, but I'm bringing up a lot of informations. But if at the end of the day you hear all these things, you still go for victim, my dear. It is better make them kill you. Nobody will manipulate me. So God bless you all. Don't take it personal, but this is what God has said because it's written in the Bible still. In the book of Mark 16, verse 15, he said, go out to all the world and preach the gospel to every living creature. The gospel, he not say it goes spoil. So I will not be called if any person change to a gospel. So what you are seeing today is happening everywhere. That's why, have you ever seen an international community right now trying to intervene in Nigerians' problem? No, they cannot intervene. They have their own. All of them, we did this agenda. They are going to fish all of them out. Just watch out, not a distant time. When our God do not go storm back. Bah. I know a lot of you don't want to hear it. What are the one way there now? What have they been doing? Have you wanted to talk about the present situation in Nigeria? Because that is what they want to happen. You think the world is just being run by this your archaic janjaweed idea? No. The world is still ruled from behind. We know the meeting we attend, so we'll not be made. Do have a nice day and God bless you all. Amen.